Oh shoot, I probably should have done the easy. Crap. Shit balls. I should have done the easy. Oh my God, that was such a mistake. Definitely should have done the easy. Change your mind. I'm not liking this. I wanted to be with him, but I can't. Shit. Oh my God. This is horrible. Oh my God. Oh my God, this is so hard. I wanted to do this to be with him, and now I'm scared out of my mind. This is so hard. Seriously, how the hell am I supposed to do this? What? Holy shit. Oh my God. Thank God for you people. Oh my God, I'm so scared. This is horrible. Oh my God. Oh God. I don't like this at all. I don't know. Oh my God. Thank you. Oh my God. I did this so I'd be with my son. He's over there. I shouldn't have done this. Oh my God. This is horrifying. Oh my God. Okay. Oh my God. Oh my God. It is so scary and so hard. I shouldn't have done it. I did it to be next to my kid, but look at him.
I'm so happy I chose this side instead of that.
I just did it to be near him. And now I'm dying. And I'm stuck. Lord. Thank you.
Hey, hoe deed je deze side of voor?
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God, are we almost done? Jesus! Oh my God, I hate this. Oh my God, I hate this. Oh Lord.
You got it.
Thank you. Oh my God, this is horrible. So terrible. Oh, come on now. Yeah, welcome. I did that over there. It's not fun.
Is this one hard?
I thought it was scary.
Okay.
You can do it, I did it. If I can do it, you can do it.
I'm a little clumsy, so I have no idea. Alright.
You gotta just get out there, you gotta just reach. You can do it.
I'm a whole...
Oh my God. God. Oh, come on now. Hi. Honey, I should have never done this. Seriously? Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. I'm wobbling so much. Oh my God. Oh. Oh, shut up. This is such a mistake. Oh, Lord. Come on. Ah. Oh, okay. Oh, my God. Thank God. Oh, my God. It was so scary. So scary. I did it. Thank you. Oh, my God.
How was it?
It was terrifying.
That's good.
And hard. Really hard.
You wanna go again?
No. Not on the hard one, that's for sure. No. I'm exhausted.